What's up, everyone? We are here at Casa Bacardi to go on a rum tour. Woo! Keep it going!
Moment in time, I want to let you all know. You could be anywhere around the world, whether it's Australia, Asia, Latin America, or the United States. You could go to any bar and say, hey bartender, give me the rum of the back. And Bacardi is what you will always serve, my friends.
Over to your left. Bacardi.
All right.
Because we're going to be pairing this rum with that chocolate that you have also on your tables, my friends. Because as I said, we usually don't think of rum as pairing. Well, we're going to do a nice pairing of rum and chocolate right here in this room.
This is the special Bacardi Reserve, aged 12 years. Excited about this one. That is good. Wow, that's really good. So now we're going to take the chocolate that's infused with rum, the same rum, and let that melt.
And since it's infused with special reserve,
Bacardi.
Gran Reserva Diaz. Yeah. Muy bien.
Oh, you are? I mean, actually, I'm trying to get my collection of Bacardi. So yesterday, I purchased my Bacardi of